Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to draw a watermelon because it's almost summer. Thanks for 3 more subscribers. We are so happy. Even though you might not be subscribing for drawing videos, that's totally okay. So we're just going to draw a slice. The actual watermelon is just a big green ball with lots of lighter green wiggles on it. So you could probably easily draw that. Okay, I will see you guys. Start off with a green color pencil or whatever green thing you're using, if it's marker or crayon. But we're just gonna do a rainbow shape like that. Then a second rainbow shape. And we're just gonna color that in there. Because technically, we're not really using pencil right now. We probably won't be using pencil at all in this video. And now we're gonna take our red colored pencil and we're gonna go down and make a triangle that connects to the green part. Now, you could color it in right now. Or you could add the seeds, because that makes it a watermelon, or at least look like one. So we're gonna do teardrop shapes for the seeds, and we're just gonna color those in. So they're teardrop shape, but they're, I guess, backwards. Sometimes it looks best with an odd number of seeds. This is probably going to be all the seeds I'm going to do. Then I'm going to color it in with my red pencil. This just looks great. You can make it bigger. You can add more slices. You can make it however you want. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel. Bye, guys.